Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Chinaza's Life. For those of you who may be new here, and for those who are returning, first of all, welcome and thank you for tuning in with me today. As the title suggests, I have a huge haul to share with you guys today. I will be doing an unboxing of Mielle Organics products, and this is actually my first time ordering from them. I saw through social media, and I believe one of my friends had sent it. Yes, my friend Osasu, if you're watching this, shout out to you. Because she basically sent that they were having a $6 sale, saying that everything on their site was $6. And I was like, wait a minute. Now, y'all know I love a good sale, but then on top of that, when it comes to skincare, hair care, like products that are for your body, basically, I love to indulge in things like that. I feel like that's like the grown-up version of me now coming out, because instead of like splurging on clothes, now I splurge on like skincare and hair care and different things like that. And for those of you who don't know, and if you're familiar with my natural hair journey, I am natural. So underneath these twists, I try to do, you know, like finger coils or just different experiments with my hair. But the main point is that once I saw that they were having this $6 sale, I had to take full advantage. I even was able to go on Twitter and find out that I could also get an additional 25% off. And the craziest part about all of this is that, guys, like, I ordered on whenever their sale was, so I believe like May 22nd. Today is June 18th, and I just got these products yesterday. Like, I guess that they were so busy that basically like everyone was ordering and so many orders are delayed and everything, or whatever the case may be. I didn't even get my tracking email that my order had shipped until my order got here. But nevertheless, I'm happy to be doing this unboxing with you all and showing you the products that I got. And actually, I'm in need, like desperate need, y'all, of a wash day. So I will be washing my hair with some of the products. I probably won't style because I'm going to be washing the twists as well and probably putting them back in a few days. So I probably won't style too much, like as far as like doing like, let's say a finger coil or a twist out or something like that. But I definitely will be using like the shampoo, the conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, all of those things. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing and, you know, show you guys what I got, why I got it, and all that good stuff. Okay guys, so as you can see, this box is literally huge. I did order about 10 products or so, and I'm happy that it came in a box, I guess, because I heard that some people got theirs in like a plastic and it broke and there was a mess. So I'm hoping, let me not cause anything, but I'm just hoping that, you know, everything is intact. So let me go ahead and get my scissor, and then we're gonna go ahead and open this box. And I love how also that their name is just on the box like that. I find that really cute versus it being just a regular box. And I've seen other people do unboxings and like have seen that they have really cute packaging, so I'm hoping for the same for me. Ooh, guys, it's pink on the inside. This is pretty. Okay, there's a little card in here that says thank you for your purchase. Okay guys, so I'm super excited to see everything. I feel like a kid on Christmas. We have my pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner. We have the curl smoothie. Another curl smoothie. I don't even remember what I ordered. I feel like it's come to that type of time. The deep conditioner, babasu and mint deep conditioner. Y'all, regular conditioner. Curl refreshing spray. Oh, this feels like it's leaking or something. Another deep conditioner. Shampoo. Oh, this is open. Curl refreshing spray, but we didn't lose too much product. Leave-in conditioner again. Curl refreshing spray again. And lastly, heat protectant spray. So let me go ahead and move this box out of the way. Make sure there's nothing else in there. I'm about to reuse this box. All right guys, so as you can see, in total I have 12 products. I did get multiples of a few, but as I said, I will be going through each of them, kind of letting you guys know what each product is and what it's used for, all the good stuff like that. As far as packaging, I'd probably say like an 8 out of 10, only for the fact that some items were basically leaking. But thankfully, they were not leaking too much and most of the product was not leaked out. And from a customer standpoint, I always love little cards like this because it basically just makes you feel like, you know, they're actually thinking about you. They're more than just a brand. And on the other side, it says your satisfaction is our #1 priority. I don't know if I didn't say this before, but this video isn't sponsored. Hopefully one day, you know, Mielle, if you're watching this, that would be lovely. I would love to get some more products, you know. But I did purchase all of these products with my own money. So guys, almost all of the products that I got are actually from the pomegranate and honey line. So I'm gonna start off with the shampoo. And I've heard a lot of good things about this pomegranate and honey line, specifically from my line sister Aquia, who like swears by this line, basically saying that it's like basically for type 4 hair, or 4C especially. So that was definitely good to know and definitely inspired me to like really invest into these products. So this is their moisturizing and detangling shampoo. Says this cleanses with rich lather and silky slip to pre-detangle thick curly type 4 hair. Okay, because I know a lot of the time, sometimes when I use shampoos, I find that they strip my hair like way too much, and then it just feels like, you know, like just too dry. So I'm really looking forward to using that, and I'll be using that today. So I'll show you guys that. Next up, we have the moisturizing and detangling conditioner, which is also from the pomegranate and honey line. You know what, guys? I just realized I didn't even smell any of these products. I know this is about to smell mad good. You know, I could technically wait since I'm about to wash my hair, but you know. Oh.
Do you smell it? That smell. The kind of smelly smell. A smelly smell that smells smelly.
Okay, I don't really smell it too much, so that's something to note. Oh, it does smell good, y'all. Oh man. Wow, it smells like a body butter or something. But anyways, let's see what's next. Who's next? Go, go.
Go, 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 go.
Who's next?
I got two of their leave-in conditioners. Leave-in conditioner is something that you know that you're literally always going to need. So I thought, why not invest in it? And again, this is from the pomegranate and honey line. So I'm definitely looking forward to using that, because I do try to, when I do have my natural hair out, I do try to do a leave-in conditioner at least once a week, just because I have very dry hair and I feel as though I need as much moisture as possible. So I'm hoping that that doesn't leave my hair like too flaky or anything, and that it's just the perfect mix. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying that out. Next up, we have the curl smoothie, and I also got two of those. So these are products that I definitely feel as though that I'll be using a lot of, because again, you guys see that I like love to do finger coils, just different things like that. And when it comes to styling my hair, I feel as though I've been using a lot of products that aren't specifically formulated for 4C hair. Like I think I've shown you guys that I use like Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioner thingy, which is not bad, you know, but at the same time, it's not specifically for curling or for twisting. So I'm really excited for when I do wear my natural hair out later on in the summer, basically, just to, you know, be able to experiment with these different products, see if my hair actually likes it. And especially since they're specifically formulated for 4C hair, that makes me really, really happy to know. So it's the fact that it's supposed to work with my hair. I'm just hoping that it does, but I've seen so many reviews and so many people love these products so much and love this line so much. So again, I'm definitely looking forward to that. So next up we have, these were the products that were leaking, y'all, but not too much leak, thankfully. But next up we have the Curl Refreshing Spray. And I did not even realize that I got 3 of these. I thought I got 2 of them. But again, this is something that I know that I'm going to use a lot of. I have been using the As I Am Jamaican Black Castor Oil one, but I'm excited to use this as well. Kind of compare the differences. Yeah, this says it's water-based with essential oils to rehydrate your curls with an illuminating shine and pleasant fragrance, while delivering a soft, flexible hold to reduce frizz and redefine your curls. I wonder if this is good for like detangling, because I do want to actually detangle my hair before shampooing it today, but I realized that I want to use like all mielle products, so I don't want to like use my As I Am Jamaican Black Castor Oil water. But technically that finished, and then I added in my own oils and my own water, so it's not really, you know, but I'll probably just end up using like a little bit of the conditioner and then wetting my hair and then just combing it through to detangle, because I do want to give my honest review of how these products feel on my hair, so I don't want to use any other competitors or any other brands, just for today's video at least. Alright guys, so next up we have the Mongogo Oil Thermal and Heat Protectant Spray. I only got one of these because I realized like I don't really put heat on my hair anyway, but it was just more so for the fact that it was $6. I'm like, honestly, I might as well. Who knows, I might, you know, when my hair grows, I might want to straighten it or something, and then instead of going out and buying one, I might as well just buy it while I can. And again, like I don't blow dry. I rarely ever put heat on my hair, so probably won't be using that anytime soon. But as far as all the other products that I've mentioned, I'll definitely be using those more and more often. And last up we have the Babasu and Mint deep conditioner. And guys, I also got 2 of these. So I meant to actually say, when I said the leave-in like once a week, I meant to say that I try to deep condition once a week. So I'm looking forward to using these products as well. And this is the only product out of everything that I got. I guess this one too, technically. So those 2 products are basically the only ones that are not a part of the pomegranate and honey line. So I am curious to see, like, does that mean that they're not gonna work as well on my 4C hair? All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair and then go ahead and wash it and come back and let you guys know how I feel about the products that I'll be using. So again, that will probably be the leave-in conditioner, the deep conditioner, the shampoo, and the conditioner, as I'm probably not going to style it because again, I just want to give my hair some room to breathe before I do start to, like I'm gonna wash this hair too, obviously. But before I put that back in, I'll probably wait a day or so. So I won't be using any styling products, but this is just more so a cleansing, I guess a cleansing review. So let's go ahead and do that and stay tuned, guys.
You want the pretty girl? You want the body rough? You want the G-mix? Call me.
Yard man young, mash up the place.
Yeah, yeah.
Star boy.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. You want the G-mix? Yeah, yeah. Call me.
Bye 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 bye.
The remix.
Yeah, you take me love for granted. Why oh why? I never knew you leave me stranded. Bye bye. You take me love for granted. Why oh why? I never knew you leave me stranded. Bye 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 bye. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Baby, you should let me hold you, nah. Baby, you should let me wine you and throw you.
Are you taking a bath?
Baby, you should let me hold you.
No, I'm recording myself. I was washing my hair for recording.
Girl, I've been looking for you all my life. Girl, you give me that sweetest vibe.
You want the bad sound?
See, I've been looking for you all my life. Girl, you give me that sweetest vibe.
Yeah. Ooh, nothing else where they I go do. Money I can spend up on you. Girl, I wanna do right by you. And every day be there for you. Love you every moment, love you true. And when we don't get nothing else to do, girl, I wanna spend time on you. Let the music go all night. Girl, your body not the truth.
All right guys, so as you can see, I am back from washing my hair, taking out my twists, all of that good stuff. And I'm gonna let you guys know right now, my scalp is tingling, but in a great way. And we're gonna go through all the products that I used while I was in the shower. You guys saw what products I used, but I kind of just wanted to give a more in-depth review on them. Now, first of all, of course, you know, we have to start off with the shampoo. So I started off with actually, I lied. I always like to pre-poo. I don't know if I'm using the right term, but I always like to basically condition my hair first before putting on shampoo, just for the fact that, you know, I'm not trying to just go straight into the business, you know, I want to give my hair some TLC first. So what I did first was to detangle, and I actually sprayed my hair with water, and then I added in some of the moisturizing and detangling pomegranate and honey collection conditioner, and it worked so well. I feel like I literally had no issues. Definitely, it's not as thick as conditioners that I'm used to, so I was actually surprised by that. It's not super milky though, but it's a nice consistency, I guess is the best way to describe it. So I would definitely recommend that to anyone looking for a conditioner that's not too heavy, that'll still get the job done. And then I went on to the moisturizing and detangling shampoo, moisturizing and detangling shampoo, also from the pomegranate and honey line. And y'all, this shampoo is the truth. Again, like I'm usually scared with shampoos, thinking that it's gonna leave my hair so like dry and brittle. And I know of course you put conditioner on after, but I was just still super nervous. I'm like, I don't know about this, like, you know, shampoo just in general just always gives me the heebie-jeebies. I don't know what it is, but this shampoo is literally so good. Like my hair, how it felt after, like it didn't feel like dry and crunchy, like it just felt good. And I was just like, okay, like I love the way that it went onto my hair too. Literally no complaints on that end. So guys, after I was done shampooing and I was done conditioning, I did use the leave-in conditioner, and y'all, this is why my scalp is still tingling, and this leave-in conditioner is literally the truth. This is one of the 2 products that I got that isn't from the pomegranate and honey line, but y'all, this product is so good. Like literally, like, first of all, it smells mad good, so that's one thing. I feel like once a product smells good, it can low-key already have me be swayed, but I'm not even playing when I say this is like the best deep conditioner that I've ever used, honestly, because I don't know what it is, but like my hair just like felt like so silky smooth, and like I could run my fingers through it and like come up, and I didn't even have to detangle. So this was after washing and after rinsing out the conditioner. Like literally my hair felt so good. It felt like I was already detangled in the first place. So this was great. Now I could have stopped there, right? Because sometimes I will stop there and I'll just use my styling products after. But I'm like, I could still technically use like the leave-in conditioner and like some of the curl refresher sprays, different things like that. And y'all, honestly, this is now like about to be my holy grail product. I'm glad that I ordered 2 of them. Because again, like similar to the deep conditioner, like this is one of the best leave-in conditioners that I've used. Not even just saying that just cause, but I feel like now I see why they said it's made for 4C hair. Cause I'm someone where it's like sometimes the leave-in conditioner, like it can make your hair look super white or just, you know, not look good or just not really do anything for you. But this was literally like the truth, and I'm definitely gonna be incorporating that once I do eventually take the twist out officially. So yeah, that's definitely a must buy for me. Lastly, I use this curl refreshing spray. Technically, obviously you guys can see that my hair is not like super curly right now, so I didn't need to use this, but I feel like I just wanted to try out what it was like. And one thing that I really do like about this is the product design. So there's a little thingy that says like on or off that you can like basically press to be able to spray. And I just love how it like streams out like that, because I also just don't like, that's a little pet peeve of mine, like when the spray bottle just isn't like productive and it's just like a waste. I'm like, what is going on? So I really like the design of the bottle. And as far as it actually working, I feel like I need to actually like have curls first and then try to refresh them and see what it does. So guys, these were the 5 products that I used. Again, I definitely would recommend this line, especially the pomegranate and honey line, to anyone with 4C hair or to anyone with natural hair in general. Definitely try it out. I wish that I could have somehow posted this in time for their sale to still be going on, but I do believe that they may be having some sales going on this weekend in honor of Juneteenth. I think their rice water is going to be on sale or something like that. So guys, like I said, I definitely look forward to trying out the rest of the products that I did not use so far. And again, I'm glad that I was able to take part in this whole sale that was going on, because this is a great deal. When else are you gonna get each product for $6 when they're usually almost double that price or even more than that? And just the fact that now we have hair care brands that are specifically made for us, especially for those with 4C hair, I feel like that's like major, that's huge. Giving a big shout out to mielle, a big shout out to Osasu, girl. Yes, thank you for putting me on to this. And also Akuya for, you know, guiding me, letting me know the different products that I should get that would probably work best with my hair. So that brings me to the end of this video. First of all, thank you so much for staying tuned with me up until this point. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to pause this video and hit the subscribe button. Also, make sure to tap that bell so that you can be notified when I am posting a new video. And if you're not following me over on Instagram, which by the way, guys, I just hit 200 followers over there, so I'm super hype. But if you're not following me on Instagram, you can find me there at Chinaza's Life. And if you're not following me over on Twitter, you can find me over on Twitter at Chinaza's Lens. As always, I appreciate you guys so much, and I look forward to bringing you more videos, more content. And also guys, if you have any like content ideas or like videos that you think that I should do, definitely let me know down in the comment section below. I would love to read all about it. And that is all that I have for today. So thank you guys for tuning in again, and I will see you in my next one. Bye everyone.